Hello children. Today I have an interesting video for you. I am sure you are going to enjoy it. We are going to learn about the use of is and are. These three words are an important part of a sentence. Without the use of these words, a sentence is incomplete. They have many more friends, but we will learn about them later in the next class probably. And today I am going to tell you a beautiful story about these three friends, is, am, are. So listen to the story very carefully to understand why they are so important in building up a sentence. There were three friends. One was is, the other's name was am, and the third one's name was are. तीनों बहुत ही अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे. They played together, ate together, and were very happy with each other. अब जब आप स्कूल जाते हैं और आपके पास बहुत अच्छे वाले फ्रेंड्स होते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं? आपको उनके साथ बैठना अच्छा लगता है, उनके साथ खेलना अच्छा लगता है, उनके साथ ही आपको रीडिंग करनी अच्छी लगती है. सो सिमिलरली ये तीनों भी बहुत ही अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे और ये तीनों हमेशा साथ रहते थे. दे वर ऑलवेज टुगेदर. बट वन डे दे गॉट एंग्री विद ईच अदर. एक दिन तीनों बहुत ही गुस्सा हो गए किसी बात से और they decided that they will never be friends again. और उन्होंने यही सोच लिया कि आज के बाद हम तीनों एक दूसरे से बात कभी नहीं करेंगे और हम लोग कभी भी एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं रहेंगे. We are not going to be friends again. अब जब शाम हुई तो सारे बच्चे पार्क में खेलने के लिए आए. अभी जब लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा then I am sure you will also go to the park to play after such a long time, no? Is, am, are also went to the park, but because they had fought with each other, so they were not talking to each other. वो एक दूसरे से बात नहीं कर रहे थे. Is went and sat in one corner, am went and sat in another corner, and are went and sat in the other corner. And they kept watching the other children playing. अब am से रहा नहीं गया. Am could not stay for a long time, so he quietly got up, and he was really a fat child. He got up and he went to a group of children. He said, "Hi friends." They all said hello to him. He asked them, "Can you please tell me your names?" So they said that our names are he, she, and it. So Am said, "Oh, you have such lovely names. Can I be your friend also? क्या मैं भी आपका फ्रेंड बन सकता हूँ? मैं आपके ग्रुप में आ सकता हूँ?" They all started laughing and they said, "You and in our group? Oh no, we are all living together in one house and we have only one room in our house and you are too fat, you will not adjust in that room." हमारे पास तो एक ही रूम है जिसमें हम तीनों रहते हैं, आप उस रूम में नहीं रह सकते हैं, आप बहुत फैट हैं. Am was very sad. Then he went to the other group. He again asked them the same question. "What are your names?" So they said, "You, we, and they." He asked them, "Can I be your friend?" They also refused. They said, "No, our parents will not allow us to have a new friend because all three of us are best friends. Sorry." Am was very unhappy. So he was going to sit down, but all of a sudden he saw a small child sitting alone and reading a book. He quickly went to that child and he said, "What is your name?" So that child said, "My parents call me I." So Am asked him, "You don't have friends?" He says, "No, I am new to this place. मैं अभी यहाँ पर नया हूँ, मेरा कोई भी friend नहीं है." So Am asked him, "क्या मैं आपका friend बन जाऊँ?" He said, "Yes, why not?" So Am sat down with I and they became very good friends. Now what happened? Then came Is. When जब Is ने देखा कि Am को तो friend मिल गया, उससे भी रहा नहीं गया. उसने क्या किया, वो भी धीरे से उठा and same way he said hello to you, we and they and introduced himself. He said, "My name is." But you, we and they again refused to make him their friend. So Is said, "Never mind, I will go and play with the other group." वो दूसरे ग्रुप के पास गया, he, she and it के पास. And he, she and it से उसने रिक्वेस्ट करी, "Please, I don't have any friend. I also want to play. Can I become your friend?" So he, she and it looked at each other. Then they said, "Okay, you can be our friend, but you will have to stay with us only." आपको हमारे ही घर में रहना पड़ेगा. So Is said, "Yes, why not?" And Is was very happy to be the friend of he, she and it. Now left was R. R said, "How can I go? They will think that we are trying to make them friends. Zabardasti." But he quietly got up from his place, went and sat down under a tree and started crying very loudly because उसके दोनों friends Is and Am को new friends मिल गए थे. Now when he was crying very loudly, so everybody tried to talk to him and ask him, "What happened? Why are you crying?" Then he said that Is and Am were my friends, but now they are not my friends. They have new friends. So you, we and they felt very bad for him. So you, we and they ने एक दूसरे से पूछा कि हम क्या करें. तो then they decided कि okay, let us take R as their friend. और उन्होंने R को भी अपना friend बना लिया. So this ways all three friends Is, Am, R had new friends. Am became the friend of I, Is became the friend of he, she, it, and R became the friend of you, we and they. So children, now let us revise Is, Am, R. You must remember that Is found 3 new friends and the 3 new friends were he, she, it. Whenever you write a sentence, you always keep these 3 friends together. But when you read the sentence or write the sentence, you can use one friend with Is only, like he is, she is, it is. Now the best part of the story, children, आप उसको he is, she is या it is भी read कर सकते हैं, write कर सकते हैं. And if you want to ask a question, अगर आप कोई question पूछना चाहते हैं तो आप इनको उल्टी साइड पे कर सकते हैं। आप is को लाइन में पहले लगा सकते हैं और he she it को पीछे लगा सकते हैं। लाइक is he, is she, is it. Same way, when you talk of are, then you say you are, we are, they are. Now if you want to ask a question, then आपकी जो ट्रेन है उसमें आर आपका इंजन हो जाएगा और बाकी के फ्रेंड्स जो हैं उसकी बोगीज हो जाएंगी। जैसे आर यू गोइंग होम, आर दे shouting, are we going for a picnic? Then we come to am. Now am has only one friend. am का सिर्फ एक friend है I. So this is a train with only an engine and one bogie. You can say, am I going home? I am going home. Am I going to play outside, please? Or I am having my lunch. So is had three friends. He, she, it. Are also had three friends. You, we and they. But am had only one friend, I, and they are the best friends. आप इन फ्रेंड्स को अलग नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये सारे फ्रेंड्स एक साथ ही रहेंगे। आप यू, वी, दे के साथ इज को फ्रेंड्स नहीं बना सकते, बिकॉज वो बिल्कुल भी उनसे फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करना चाहता। सेम वे आर भी यू, वी एंड दे का ही फ्रेंड है, वो किसी और का फ्रेंड नहीं बनना चाहता। एंड एम एंड आई आर द बेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स। ये तो बिल्कुल भी, दे आर इनसेपरेबल, दे आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। आप इन दोनों को बिल्कुल अलग नहीं कर सकते। सो चिल्ड्रन, these are the rules which you have to follow while framing a sentence also. आप जब कोई सेंटेंस भी लिखते हैं तो आपको इन फ्रेंड्स को ही यूज करना है। इज के साथ उसके फ्रेंड्स को यूज करना है, ही, शी, इट। आर के साथ यू, वी, दे को यूज करना है और एम के साथ आपको सिर्फ आई को ही यूज करना है। सो रिमेंबर दीज रूल्स एंड practice making sentences using these friends together and revise them so that you will be able to understand this better. I hope you enjoyed this story. Okay, children? Now this is an assignment for you. You have to fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Please do this work in your rough notebook, or you can even do it on a sheet of paper and send it to me through WhatsApp so that I can check your work, and I am going to give you 5 marks for this assignment. Okay, children, that's it for today. We'll meet you with a new video. Stay safe. Bye bye.